Agartala Jiba Hospital, Tabuksak Jora Khorokba Khlaijakha kidney transplant, liver heart transplant, bagwi Mohan Foundation by Khlaijakha MoU Signature, Phasalo Prof Bhavano Luwajijak Northeastern branch of the Association of Otolaryngologists ni 36th annual conference Pandao Sanani Thangwi okra Sakha Hasteni Mantri okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha.
Manik Saha মহাশয় তিনি মঞ্চে উপস্থিত রয়েছেন প্রধান
Phasalo Pragya Bhavano Khlaijakha Northeastern branch of the Association of Otolaryngologists ni 36th annual conference Pandao Jatikatar Musungi Pandao Chengshawiraka Hasteni Mantri okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha. Manjaka Hasteni Sakha Betting Secretary Kiran Gita Agartala Jiba Hospital Medical Superintendent Dr. Shankar Chakrabortino Khoboi Nabokoi Nikuchoko Samarok Pandao Sanani Thangwi Hasteni Mantri okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Sakha Agartala Jiba Hospital Tabuksak Jora Khorokba Khlaijakha kidney transplant liver heart transplant ni bagwi Mohan Foundation by Khlaijakha MoU Signature nei.
Sincere greetings and congratulations to all of you. Before I speak something, I should say that actually being a oral and maxillofacial surgeon, I am very much near and very closer to you. So far this subject is concerned. So in this association of Otolaryngologists, Northeastern branch is an organization comprising ENT surgeons from 8 states of Northeastern region, named by our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, as you know, there is Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Sikkim. I am truly delighted to be present at this conference of ENT surgeons. The medical profession is not merely an occupation. It is, we know, noble service to humanity. And within that service, the role of ENT specialist is truly unique. Diseases and other problems of the ear, nose and throat are intricately linked with our daily lives. Every individual, from a child to an elderly person, requires the care of ENT doctors at some point in their life. ENT surgeon plays a pivotal role, like cochlear implants for hearing loss, then in chronic sinusitis, nasal polyp, deviated nasal septum, then tonsillitis, sleep apnea, throat cancer, then addressing head and neck conditions like cancer or tumor, even parotid and so on. Navicon was held in what I have been given this information that first it was held in 1985 at the Regional Dental College, Guwahati. Last year it was held in Shivsagar, Assam. The last time Navicon was hosted in Tripura was in 2014. After 11 years, this flagship event is being organized in this state once again. The Association of Otolaryngologists Northeastern branch, in addition to focusing on ear, nose and throat issues, organizes CME workshops, discussions and various scientific programs aimed at the collective development of surgeons in this Northeastern region. The annual conference of NAVOI is an annual event featuring scientific discussions, lectures, presentation, video demonstration, live surgical workshop, instructional courses and quiz competition. This year, eminent ENT surgeons and national level resource persons are participating in this conference. They will present their scientific work which will enrich the knowledge and expertise of ENT surgeons not only in the state but across the entire Northeastern region.
Professor of ENT, by her unwavering dedication, kindness, and exemplary leadership, making her a beloved teacher. And as Department of ENT, Tripura Medical College established in 2005, till his retirement from the post in 2007. At present, he is working as Government Nominated Chairman of Society for Tripura Medical College.
Ashani Pandao kam samuk Khlaijakha ki sesuk saknani rokna boram ya farka Hasteni Mantri okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha.
Her department as a family, engaging deeply with students and colleagues alike. Her 14-year tenure as Professor of ENT was marked by her unwavering dedication, kindness, and exemplary leadership, making her a beloved teacher. And is
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.